How to send photos on Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. Next, click on the Message tab on the left side of the screen. Select a conversation where you want to send a photo or start a new message by clicking the plus icon and choosing a contact. Now in the message box, click the attachment icon. A file picker window will appear where you can select a photo saved on your computer. Choose the photo you want to send, then click Open. The file will be attached to your message. Finally, click the Send button and your photo will be delivered along with your text message. You can repeat this process to send multiple photos in one conversation. Keep in mind that Google Voice has file size limits, so larger images may need to be compressed before sending. Now you know how to send photos on Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.